already did a short sale, but it didn't go through.
This is common in the real estate industry. A short sale is a very complicated transaction, and the best results come when you work with an experienced team of real estate professionals and lawyers. There's no guarantee that applying again would produce a better outcome. So often the original short sale didn't go through due to either a lack of experience or a lack of experience on the parties that were responsible for managing the process. Also, it's possible that your servicer may have switched and that the new servicer may give you a better short sale alternative. The best thing to do here is to consult with your homeowner advocate to find out your options.